What's up, YouTube? I'm Max. This is my affirmation video. It's my affirmation journal of a book I've been writing. It's called The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. I've written everything from that book. It's my own handwriting. From my affirmation journal, I'm going to continue on with my affirmations. Healing the principle of the subconscious restores atrophied optic nerves. There is a well-known duty here that I must perform, and it is recorded in the archives of all of these departments. And she was blind and atrophied, and it became useless, and visited the store, and this miraculous healing occurred. And this young lady investigated and wrote the healings of all of these, and in such a magazine writes about as follows. She regained her sight incredibly, with the optic nerve still lifeless, useless, as several doctors could testify at repeated examinations. A month later, upon re-examination, it was found that seeing the mechanism of the restored and normal, but at first, so far as a medical examination could tell, she was seeing with the dead eyes. I have visited this several times. You can be the witness of the healings, and of course, as well shall explain in the next chapter. There is no doubt of the healings that take place in many of the shrines, Christian and non-Christian, and here we are. And referred was healed by the waters of the shrine, but here are our own, the subconscious mind, which responded to her belief. The healing principle within her subconscious mind responds to the nature of her thought. Belief is a thought in the subconscious mind. It means to accept something as true. The thought accepted executes itself automatically, undoubtedly. Here we are, and went to the shrine to expect the great faith that we are here enduring, and she would receive a healing. Her subconscious mind responded accordingly, releasing the ever-present healing forces. The subconscious mind created the eye, and it can certainly bring dead nerve back to life. What the creative principle has created, it can recreate. According to your belief, it is undone to you. And that's the healing principles of the subconscious mind that restores atrophied optic nerves. I'm Max. This is my affirmation video. Thanks for listening, and I'm out.